Hello, my name is Kaushik Kakode. I'm from Mumbai, India. I have recently completed my bachelor's degree in business administration with a marketing specialization in the year 2020. So the first time that I thought of digital marketing as my career was in the final year of my graduation, where I was made the marketing head of a cultural event in the college. As the marketing head, my responsibilities were to get paid registrations for the event and manage a team of student volunteers. So traditionally, the idea behind the marketing was to send the student volunteers to different colleges in the city and they would get paid registration. But during my tenure as the marketing head, me and my team decided to create a few social media pages for the event and as well as create a website where the people could directly come and get to know about the event and register for it. This made a drastic change in the event registrations that we get every year. In the last 13 years of the event, the paid registrations never crossed double digits. But during my tenure, we crossed the limit of 100 and reached 170 registrations. This made me realize how powerful social media platforms and having an online presence could be for marketing. This motivated me to think about a career in digital marketing. Digital marketing has taken prominence over the marketing department in the last few years. Companies are investing heavily in digital marketing as their frontline for customer acquisition, especially since the outburst of COVID. The buying patterns and trends of customers have changed drastically in the last 18 months. E-commerce websites have seen their highest hike in the past 20 years, and this is a growing department and I think it would suit my capabilities and expectations as a marketeer. And my majors in business administrations provides me a suitable grounds for the same. I have been part of the school cricket team and sports team and have understood the importance of teamwork and how team players depend on each other. Dependability is a trait that I have cherished in my life and would serve me really well throughout my career. I have no inhibitions in talking to new people. I make friends easily and I have no problems in talking to strangers too. This trait has helped me during my leadership roles in college, and also apart from that I am really fond of creativity and artwork. I spend my leisure time making sketches and drawings. This helps me boost my creativity and also flexes my creative muscles in the brain. Both my parents being entrepreneurs, I have been exposed to conversations related to marketing, branding, and funding from a really small age. And after completing my 12th grade, my natural selection of a field of study was business management. So, after completing my bachelor's in business administration, I followed my dream of becoming a digital marketer and started interning for an educational company called Speakwell English Academy. Speakwell English Academy was traditionally into classroom-based training, but when I joined the company, the entire country was in lockdown and the pandemic was at its peak. All industries were facing problems to serve their customers and also find new ones for their product. So during this time, going digital was the only solution for the company I was interning for. They had to use digital tools for customer acquisitions as well as execution of their training. So as part of the digital marketing team, I was exposed to content writing, Facebook ad, working on campaigns and also SEO and SEM. Working on YouTube marketing, writing content and working on ad campaigns on Facebook were some of my favorite assignments that I did there. Although I was enjoying my exposure to digital marketing, I realized that my knowledge in this field is incomplete and would affect my growth as a digital marketer, and I understood that a proper study in digital marketing would serve justice to my complete potential in this field. My long-term plan is to take up product management career. I would like to work for corporates for a few years and get hands-on experience with brand management and campaign management. Technology is making things obsolete sooner. New products and features have to be introduced, developed and even created before the existing one reaches its peak. Product managers are going to play a key role in an organization in this fast-paced world. I would like to leverage my digital marketing knowledge and get into product management roles in startups. I would even like to see my ideas shape into product features and be of commercial value. In fact, I even think that someday I would be recognized as the person behind a success of a product. Just like Sundar Pichai is known for conceptualizing the idea of Chrome in Google. In my search for programs and curriculums that would lead me to my long-term goals, I found out this postgraduate certificate in digital and content marketing from York University to be the most comprehensive one, and the university also being the most reputed in Canada. Moreover, the curriculum was to my liking and was really interesting. And having checked the past testimonials and student references, I'm really sure that this course would lead me to the long-term plans that I have in my mind. Thank you for this opportunity.